It is Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use Microsoft Teams right here on this mobile phone here. Alright, so we're going to scroll up, we're going to look for the Teams on this mobile device here. Alright, so let me see exactly. Alright, if you notice, this is Microsoft Teams right here. So this is the mobile section now, all we're going to use. We're going to click on it. Now when you click on it now, this is exactly what come up, right? If you notice right here, is the home page right here. So it will show that you can actually get everything together by creating a community right here. Show that you can create from scratch. Right here, tap the sports, youth project, and all of that volunteerism. Also, all of this you can actually put in there. Right, but if you notice right down here now, you're going to click on it. You notice right now you can actually start a new chat, you can search. Right, and if you come right out, there's a notification right here. You notice? No activities. I'm going to go back in the middle. Right, if you notice right here to start a video meeting in Microsoft Teams, I'm going to come right up here and I'm going to click. Now when I click on it, this is what come up. Right, it says meeting with me. Right, it says you can share the invite link. Right, it says you can copy meeting link. Right, it has meeting options. Right here, I want to click on the start meeting. Now when I click on it start meeting, this is what come up right here. To show that I can uncheck the video. Show that I can get by the video. Right, just show that I can get the audio. Come right this on this show say speaker. But if you notice right here, it's a join. So if I click join, definitely you see that it's actually connecting. Right? And if you notice right here, it actually shows that I'm actually in the meeting. So you notice right here, so I can add participants. But if I come right here, you can actually pull the video just the same. You can actually go back again, you can actually use the audio. But if you notice this chilico dot here, when I click on the chilico dot, if you notice, this is what cool. You can actually change the background, right? And if you notice right here, so you can turn off the live caption, right? Alright, so do not show chat bubbles right here. You notice you can put on hold and everything right here. So you can chat. If you notice right here, you can actually give a thumbs up or you can actually clap. You can also change view. You can share, right? If you come right here, click on chat. Definitely, this is what actually come up. Right? You can actually click right inside here. Right? You can actually do some chatting, right? Say greetings, just like that, and you can come right out here. I just click, and there you go. You can come right up here, and then you can actually go back. Right? So very important. Right? And if you notice, you scroll on the screen. If you notice this is a meeting, you click, and you go right back there. Go back to the tree, look at that. Again, notice this is a people. When you click on people, this is what come up. Sure, I can add people to the meeting. Just the same, you want to go back, you press right this, and you go back, right, you go back to each, look at that again. You're going to click on share. Now when you click on share, sure that you can share a photo, can share a video, you can actually share a screen, go back again, you can share, right? Definitely. So if a photo now, right? So all the photo them actually see in a gallery or whatever. Notice that shows some type of photo right here. So I can actually click on one. Notice I click on one, it's actually showing up here so far. So whoever in the meeting can literally see right here. So you can start presenting. I now I click on that. You notice this is exactly it right here so far. Definitely. So I can actually go back. You notice right here it says stop sharing. You're going to click on that. It's stop share. Right. So when I click back here, it's a view. When I click on view, what you will see definitely, this is the gallery section. Let's go back again, the gallery section, right? You want to raise the hand, alright, you click on that. Notice it sure that it actually raise hand right here. When you go back, right, you can click back on it again, actually take it down, right? So very important, you notice all different settings right here. You notice a change background. If I click once, it change background, right? If you notice right here, I click right here. If you notice, let me version that I can actually change the background. Right, if you notice right here, show it actually loading. Right here, show that I can actually put in a different one. Alright, so let me select this one. and scroll up. Right, if you notice I have a ton of background right here, which I can actually select. Right, if you notice my background actually changed right here. If I come right here and I select the next one, notice it actually changed here. So this is the mobile, you can actually do it just the same. And you notice my background keep on improving and all of that. So I can actually do that with it to change the background. Right, it's very important. Right here. So this is the one. When you finish, I can come right up here. I can actually click this X right here. Right? I see. Yes, it's actually turn off pocket camera. Very important. So finish, when you finish all of this, right? Finish all of this. You want to close the meeting, you can come right here. Right? I'm gonna click. Now when you click, if you notice right here, it says leave or end. If you're gonna leave, you're gonna assign somebody else to be the host. If you want to end meeting to all, just click right here and click. You notice right here. So cancel end meeting, you're going to click on end meeting. Right? When you click on end meeting, it takes you right back to this particular section. So hope you have learned something from this short video here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.